If your iPhone gets stuck on the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen with a cable icon, it means the device needs recovery. This video explains what the screen means and how to safely exit it using free methods. Part 1. What does support.apple.com/iPhone/restore mean? Common causes include failed updates, corrupted system files, failed jailbreaks, malware, or too many incorrect unlock attempts. Part 2. How to fix iPhone stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. If your iPhone is stuck on the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen, you can try the following methods to fix the issue. Fix 1. Force restart the iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press and release volume up. Press and release volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down plus power button for about 10 seconds. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold home plus power button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Update iOS via iTunes. If the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen appears during an iOS update, connect your iPhone to a computer and update it using iTunes. Step 1. With your iPhone in recovery mode displaying the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen, connect it to your computer and open iTunes. Step 2. When the prompt appears, select Update and confirm to begin the update process through iTunes. Fix 3. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. If your iPhone stays on the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen, entering DFU mode can help, but it will erase all data, so use with caution. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC and launch iTunes. Step 2. Follow the instructions below to enter DFU mode. iPhone 6 and earlier, hold power plus home for 8 seconds, release power. Keep holding home until iTunes shows recovery. iPhone 7 Plus, hold power plus volume down for 10 seconds, release power. Keep holding volume down until detected. iPhone 8 and later, volume up, volume down, hold power until black, hold power plus volume down 5 seconds, release power. Keep holding volume down until detected. Step 3. If your iPhone's screen remains black, it means you've successfully entered DFU mode. Click OK in iTunes, and it will proceed to restore your iPhone. Fix 4. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. If you want to avoid data loss or other fixes fail, a professional iOS repair tool like iOS System Recovery is safer. It can fix over 50 iOS issues, including recovery loops and boot problems, and its standard mode repairs without erasing data. Step 1. Run the program on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB cable. The program will automatically detect the connected iPhone. Then, click More Tools, iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. The software will automatically detect and display the issue with your iPhone. For example, bricked, stuck on the Apple logo, recovery mode, error 27, etc. Click Start to proceed. Step 3. Verify the iPhone information. If it's correct, click the Repair button to begin the repair. If the information is incorrect, select the correct details and then click Repair to start the fix. Fix 5. Connect to Apple support. If the previous steps don't fix the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore issue, it may be a hardware problem. Contact Apple support for professional help. Part 3. How to avoid iPhone being stuck in the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen. To avoid the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen, keep enough storage, a full battery, stable Wi-Fi, avoid jailbreaking, backup data regularly, fix issues promptly, and use Apple's certified cables and chargers.